A little addendum. When I got onto natural light, I realized something small but effect. Um, in darkening down the nostrils to try to slim the nose, it exposed this little corner here, which has black dots on it because the foundation didn't reach. I wasn't careful enough. But I think if I pull the nostril over and put a little bit of white in there, it will narrow down the nose slightly, because if you can see past this, it must be small. And if you're going to get white light there, the light must be passing by. So let's try that. Let's see what happens. There. That's it. I went down by the river. It was mostly single dads with babies, because I think the wives have managed to keep their jobs during the pandemic, and not the husbands, so they're babysitting. And single moms with dogs. I mean, women with just a dog. And it's nice to see kids and the fathers out. It's, I don't know, say 42 degrees here, which is 10 degrees above freezing, which in Canada is like party time. And they had their kids out over where the sandbox is, and the swings, wearing toques and scarves and puppy jackets and gloves. And a good time was had by all.